I think what's most interesting is that there's so many people here and so much noise, and the birds aren't afraid.
So they don't think they harm. They're vegetarian.
Yeah,
so
yeah, I know it's.
Throw. Can somebody throw?
That was good.
If you want to throw, you can throw.
I feel like I'm in a dream.
You like it, huh? Look at that. Yeah, India's a special place when it gets you in its spell. Oh, look at that. So beautiful. Ooh, something exciting.
We gotta throw the food. Where's our food?
I don't know.
Somebody got the pack of food? Who got the pack of food?
Does someone have food on our boat?
There. Get ready, okay?
Okay, we're going to get ready. Action, action. About to get action.